Here's your Storm Track 5 weather forecast. Now, meteorologist Ricky Matthews.
All right, continuing to look at some of the roads across the area. This shot sent in from Aaron. Look at West State Street in Bristol, a snowy coating on State Street here in Bristol. He took this shot from his GoPro, which was attached to the front of his truck. We always recommend you don't take pictures while driving, but if you strap a GoPro to your vehicle, we'll allow that. Some snow impacting our region this morning across Southwest Virginia, kind of lightening up a little bit now across portions of Norton, Wise, and Clintwood. South of there, though, still heavy snow and burst of snow near Gate City, kind of moving into the Kingsport region along 11W. Is very snowy this morning, so take it slow if you have plans to get out this morning. Maybe put it off for a little bit because we're going to continue to see that snow at least over the next couple of hours across Northeast Tennessee. Here's a look from downtown Bristol. You see decent conditions in downtown now, at least where the train station is in downtown there on State Street. 22 degrees right now at the Tri-Cities Airport, 23 in Greenville. A shot from Marion shows pretty nice Main Street down there. Looks like they've cleared that pretty well, and 20 degrees with the west-southwest wind at 11 in Marion. Now, road conditions this morning are going to be the worst of any time. We're going to have red light conditions. Maybe just stay home for a little bit, folks, and give the road crews a little bit of time to work, because by the afternoon, I think some of the main roads will get all right, and you should be able to drive around at least the majority of the region. But overnight, we're going to refreeze. Black ice is going to be a big concern, so maybe get home early if you can tonight. A winter storm warning remains in effect through late tonight or early Sunday morning, depending on where you're at, because of that slick road travel that could be across our area. That's also why we have our severe threat tracker in the medium alert level to the high alert level for Saturday. Now, this whole system is starting to wrap up. We're going to continue to see the morning snow, and then in the afternoon we'll see more of a northwest flow snow with the higher elevations, the northwest facing slopes, picking up some additional snow showers this afternoon. You'll see it on Future Track here. Notice the snow as we go into the morning, across some of the valleys, but as we go into the afternoon, it does start to lighten up a little bit. But across the Tennessee mountains and across portions of Southwest Virginia, we continue to see the snow at times, even into the later portion of the afternoon, especially across Tazewell County as well, near Richlands. Clintwood picking up some northwest flow, Wise picking up some northwest flow, Mountain City, Elizabethton, and Irwin. You could pick up a couple additional inches of snow as we go through today. Here's what we're thinking right now. I think across the valleys, anywhere from a dusting to 3 inches if you get underneath one of those heavier snow bursts this morning. Otherwise, 1 to 4 across the higher elevations. Could pick up maybe 5 in an isolated spot, and 1 to 4, perhaps 5 once again as you go across the Tennessee mountains and into northwest North Carolina. Also 1 to 4 up in Tazewell County this afternoon with that northwest flow snow. Now, winds are also going to be really gusty from the northwest this afternoon, making it feel even colder outside, gusting to 30 miles per hour at times. That's as the low pressure pulls away from us. As it pulls away, it'll take the moisture with us as we head into tomorrow, but a very cold day. Temperatures only in the 30s for Sunday, and high pressure taking control. Your highs town by town today, we're generally going to be in the upper 20s. We'll say 28 for the Tri-Cities, 27 in Lebanon, around 26 in Boone, and further to the west, around 24 in Norton this afternoon, and into tonight, dropping down into the lower teens in many spots. 14 for the Tri-Cities tonight, 12 in Lebanon. We'll say lower teens for Mountain City and Boone. Could see a stray flurry there. 9 degrees for Norton overnight and 13 in Cumberland. Check out your Storm Track 5 7-day forecast. We're going to see temperatures that finally warm up a little bit as we head into Monday, but it's going to be a pretty chilly stretch of weather as we head through the weekend. 36 tomorrow, 45 on Monday, and then more rain moving in on Tuesday.